All right. Hey, everybody. It is Thursday, April 30th, the last day of April. We'll take a look at what we're working on today. If you look up here at the top of the screen, we've got our Chapter 5 reading activities. There's the story and the comprehension questions. These are left over from Wednesday, so if you've already finished them, you can ignore them. And then we've got the math algebra activity 2, which is left over from Wednesday also. Again, if you finish that on Wednesday, no need to worry about it. You can just ignore it. And I think I accidentally clicked on that, so we're going to have to get out of it. We do have a new story, a new chapter to read, which I'll show you in a moment. Let's get out of here. My apologies. Sorry about that. All right, we're back where we were. So these are all our leftovers from Wednesday. We've got a new chapter, chapter 6, with the story, and this is just reading for today. So same routine for reading that new chapter. And then we've got another math algebra chapter activity, which I do want to open and talk to you a little bit about. It's going to involve reading some charts and graphs and filling in problems and equations. Same deal as Wednesday. I really am most concerned that you understand the story problem that's up here as well as the graphs. So there will be a brief little story for each page, a graph for each page, and then some questions to answer. If you move through it, we're going to see some math problems associated with it too. And this is an example. We've got the chart here, and then we see how many hours do Randy and Danielle work for their shifts all together. So we've got the R for Randy. We're going to want to go up here and find out how many hours Randy worked. We've got the D for Danielle. Find out how many hours Danielle worked. And then again, talk about some of those key words that we'd be pulling out. All together, that's a key word that tells us to add. Down here we see how many more. That's a key word that we talk about in class a lot too, or key phrase that tells us we want to subtract. And again, how many more. This is some key words that tell us what we want to do. We want to subtract there. So those are some concepts we spend a lot of time talking about in class, picking out these key words or phrases and knowing what mathematical operation goes with it. So talk to your student about that, work through that and give it a try. And you're going to see a lot of problems and pages like that on this. Again, we've got a chart, we've got some questions to fill in, and then we've got a math problem to make up as a result of the story problem up here. So give it a try. Again, it's challenging. It's a little more moving away from just straight on math to some more real life type things. And things we'd spend a lot of time working together with in class, a lot of interactive work, not just filling out a worksheet. So don't get really excited if you have any difficulties, but by all means, please reach out to me if you do have difficulties, and we'll try to help you through it. Thanks a lot. Enjoy your Thursday, and good luck with everything.